Hi, here's a 2013 Junebug frame. I changed over the cores for set of workhorse irons, changed over the hardware. It ran like a bag of shite when I first got it. So I've reset it for running from black and grey on 5.5 volts, and you've increased up to 6 volts on like a nice decent liner. So I'm going to start it in 5.5 volts first. Quite soft hitting on 5.5 volts, and it's a medium to long throw. Up to 6 volts, obviously the force hit's going to increase slightly. And 6.5 volts. You could use it with 6.5 volts, maybe up to 7, maybe 7.2 for lining. That's now really hard. Okay, thanks for watching.